This answer, guys, means that we can go anytime to the AI and ask this AI to redesign a pipe that we already created. So we can use the Pipefy AI for design a new pipe or even to adjust a pipe that we already created. This is insane. This is insane, my friends. This is really, really good. Hi everyone, Rodrigo here once again for one more Pipefy video, and today I would like to share with you guys how to create workflows on Pipefy using AI. Let's do it together. So here, guys, you are already seeing my screen. So I'm gonna start creating some pipe, a new workflow using AI from Pipefy. But before continue, I would like to ask you, if you don't have any idea how Pipefy works, just go to the previous video here on YouTube. There is a playlist called Pipefy English. This playlist, I recorded the first video teaching you how to use Pipefy from scratch, okay? That video is a good one to start. Then you can come back here and continue from this point, all right? That's the idea. And also, guys, if you are looking for use Pipefy in your company, don't forget to check the description of this video. There you will find a link that will direct you to our website, our website, and then you can just sign with us a license for you, okay, with a really, really good price. Actually, this software AI, not software, I mean this tool AI from Pipefy is just available for those who has the paid version of the license, okay? The free version won't enable you to use this feature, okay? This feature on Pipefy. Let's start to create a pipe from scratch using AI. So to use, we just have to check. Firstly, we needed to be in this screen, this home page screen from Pipefy, okay? This screen, we can say, is the home page from your organization, okay? Once you are in the home page of your organization, you just have to moving down a little bit, go to the right down corner over here and click in this button, AI, okay? Once you see this interface over here, you will interact with Pipefy AI, okay? One generative AI from Pipefy. At this point, we are able to create pipes, okay? But there are 3 steps to create a pipe. First of all, we have to ask the AI which kind of pipe we want to design, okay? In my case, I will, for example, design a project management pipe, okay, for my data project. So I will just ask the AI about it. So can you create a project management pipe? Pipe means workflow on Pipefy, okay, guys? Once you heard me saying pipe, in other words, I'm saying workflow, right? Business workflow. So can you create a project management pipe to manage my data development, and then question mark, then I click on enter. Then Pipefy AI just said, sure, Rodrigo, I can help you to create a project management pipe for your data development. And also to start, we needed to define the fields for the start form of your process. As I told you guys, there are 3 steps to follow in order to succeed in pipe creation. The first one is to say to the AI what kind of workflow you want to create. The second step is the field from the start form. The start form is the first step of a workflow, is the form that starts your workflow, okay? So now it's time just to design this start form with the AI. And also AI just suggests us some fields that we can use. For example, project name, project description, start date, due date, project manager, which means they're responsible for this project, and project status. And also I will just ask the AI to add one field more, attachment with the business plan. So in this case, I will just ask the AI like, can you add a field called business plan as an attachment attachment field. No, I will just say in other words, call it business plan, where users can attach a PDF file. Absolutely, we can add a business plan field where users can add a PDF file. Then Pipefy AI just send us a briefing of the fields related to start form, okay guys? And then we can just check about the fields, the type, the description, and if this field is required or not. So if you want to say something, you can just make some adjustment in this part. For example, oh, I need for example, project status not as a required field. Can you change that? Of course, Rodrigo, I've updated the project status. Then the Pipefy AI just give us another briefing of the start form. Now you will see the project status with no over here. Look at now no. Does this look good for you to you? Yes, absolutely. Yeah. Just yeah. Great. Now let's move on to the next step of the pipe creation, guys. We have to design which phases we want to use in our workflow. So we have to say to AI the phase that we want to design in our workflow. There is also a suggestion. So Pipefy just said data development project. We might have phase like planning, development, testing, deployment, and review. But also I will say I want to a final phase colon results measurement. Okay, because I want to measure the results after the review. Can you do that? As you can see, guys, always I just send new message. Oh, this my internet just did something wrong. As a result, I just sent 3 prompts because my internet just paused a little and I click and enter 3 times. So please don't be anxious like me, okay? Just type 1 time and then click and enter and wait a little bit, okay? Because I did 3 prompts, Pipefy AI just send me 3 results. Now it's a briefing for the phase. So the phase label will be planning, development, testing, deployment, review, and the results measurement. Is it the final phase? The results measurement will be my final stage, okay? Does this look good to you? Absolutely. Yes, sure. As you can see, there is a just wrong spelling over here, but there's no problem because AI will understand some mistakes. Okay, now is the final stage. So Pipefy just said, fantastic, now let's define some labels for our process. Labels are a great way to categorize and filter our cards. For data development project, we might have labels like high priority, low priority, on hold, or completed. Guys, this time we can also ask Pipefy to create labels or fields, okay? So in my case, I will say I don't want to use labels. However, I need to create a field on final stage, colon, for example, responsible for results measurement. Then Pipefy just understood, Rodrigo. We won't create labels for this process. As for responsibles for results measurement field, now just send me that they created, okay? So let's see what's going on over here. how AI understood me. As you can see here, guys, this is a beta version, so sometimes we can have some problems with the prompts, but don't worry. Pipefy just are increasing the Pipefy AI each time, but this is a beta version, but really, really good ones. So this is a briefing of everything. Let's see. Pipe name, data development, project management, language, English. Let's see the answer. Okay, understood, Rodrigo. We won't create label for this process. As for the responsible for results measurement field, we will add it to the final phase once the pipe is created. So Pipefy just told me that I needed to first create the pipe and then I can add this field that you are looking for. Now let's review the process information before we create the pipe. Process information, this is really good, guys. Here we can have the information, the documentation of our process. This is amazing, okay? Pipe name, language. Oh, we have also the language. Language of the pipe will be English. We can say language in Portuguese, Spanish, whatever, it's up to you. This is the start form fields and the phases. Does everything looks correct? If so, I will proceed to create a pipe. Please go ahead. So now let's see the answer. We have to wait a little bit. Now I'm just waiting. This process take a while because now it's time to Pipefy AI create it, okay? Okay, just give me a minute while I created our pipe. This is absolutely insane, alright, guys? The AI just talk with me like an assistant, a real assistant. Done. I will now create some fields for your face. So the Pipefy says, okay, give me a minute. Done. I have a pipe. Now I'm create some fields for your face. So at this moment, we have to wait a while, right? Because this is an AI just designing something, okay? Great, your new process, data development project manager, has been created successfully. Here is the link of your new pipe, guys. As you can see, I can just click over here and see my pipe. Now, the final stage of this process is just to ask the AI to create new fields. This is time that you can just explode your mind, go insane and ask whatever you want in order to have new fields in your workflow, right? Don't worry about it. This is the time, but for me, this is all that I need. So I will just move on to the pipe and check from there with you how the pipe looks like, all right? So I will just say that's all for me. Thanks. I will just say that to AI. I will click and wait a little. That's all for me. Thanks. If you have any other question, need further assistance in the future, don't hesitate to ask. Enjoy using your new process in Pipefy. This answer, guys, means that we can go anytime to the AI and ask this AI to redesign a pipe that we already created. So we can use the Pipefy AI for design a new pipe or even to adjust a pipe that we already created. This is insane. This is insane, my friends. This is really, really good. So I will just click on over here to go to the pipe and let's work together in the pipe, all right? As you can see here, I have in the URL, I have the pipe and the flow, called the flow in the end of the URL. Pipefy at the beginning just shows this flow overview of the pipe because over here we can see the fields, all the fields and stage, okay? Once we check it and everything looks good, we can just hold the mouse and the mice and then move right and left to see all the process. But once we have everything done, we can move on to Kanban over here in order to operate the pipe, okay? As you can see in the flow, I have these fields on start farm, then on the Pipefy just created a stage called Caixa de Entrada in Portuguese. This is a mistake. I wanna just change this for the beginning. I will say beginning stage. Oh, spelling mistake over here. Beginning stage. Okay, this will be the name. That's all. Then I will just close this window. Now I have the name right over here. So I have beginning stage, planning, development, testing, deployment, review, and results measurement over here, okay, with those informations. So we have all the information that we need in each stage. This is all for me. I don't want to just adjust anything. If you want to adjust, just click over here in this small pen symbol, and once you click it, you can change everything. I just showed you how to do it in the previous video here on YouTube. I don't want to work with that now. I want to show you one thing more before leaving, guys. I will just create a new card. This project name will be test, description test as well. Start date, I will put it today, due date tomorrow, and project manager Rodrigo, project status not started. Business plan, I don't want to add a new nothing, but as you can see here, I can attach new fields. Okay, then I will create it here and create a new card. This is in Portuguese because my Pipefy is in Portuguese. This organization is in Portuguese, okay guys, but once you have your license in English, you will see all this information in English, but you just have to click in the blue button in order to create. And once you have a card, you can just move. I don't want to move over now from here now because I want to just click on this AI. Okay, let's move first. Requester name Rodrigo, requester email, I don't want to put it anything. I will just move it to planning. Let's see if I have something that blocks. No, nothing. So now I have in planning this card, so which means that I have something, a new project that arrived in my workflow, and I move it to planning. Why I did that? Because I want to use the AI from this moment. Okay guys, this is a Pipefy AI but for analysis in the pipe. Okay, this is not AI for design a new workflow. This is an AI to interact with your pipe, so to decision making process. For example, I will click it here, prepare the pipe cards. When I click at this in this button, Pipefy just understand all the cards that we have in this pipe, specific pipe. So from this moment, I can just create it. As you can see here, there are suggestions. How many cards per phase, generate some insights, suggest some questions based on my data. This is more an assistant to make decisions. This is insane because we can ask, for example, how many cards per phase. Then Pipefy just said, currently there is one card in the planning phase. Okay. And now I will just ask, for example, how much time I am spending to move cards from beginning stage to planning. I mean, I want to know how much time I'm spending, okay, in terms of efficiency, how my team is working. Then let's see the answer from Pipefy AI. On average, you are spending approximately 27 seconds to move cards from beginning to planning phase. So look at here, guys, we can just make data analysis and the workflow using Pipefy AI. So we don't need a dashboard anymore. We can just move it here and ask anything in order to know how our workflow is performing, and we're gonna receive some result instantaneously. That's insane, right? This is all that Pipefy AI can do right now using artificial intelligence. But I mean, this is just a beta version. Can you imagine the final version? How good it will be? So let's check in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.